Aleksa.
Nina! Možeš da ih dovedeš ovdje sve? Nina! 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 Možeš da ih dovedeš, ima jedan ovdje. Might remember the time. Yes. Sorry, can somebody tell me who's the mother of this baby?
Stefan. We are here to help them, okay? Give a baby to mother.
Team, check pulse breathing, talk to your casualty.
Put your head here. Don't wash your dress. And for 10 minutes.
What's going on here? God.
Yes, here.
Protect them from warm and cold. Is there any something from sun, some serrate or
Maybe you have umbrella.
How many of you were here? Well, this around 50?
Around 15.
15.
Okay? I'm sure to help you, don't worry. And you,
Okay.
you are okay?
Nina.
Yes? You use this to cool yourself, okay? I'm here to help you, don't worry. Your name is Mark, okay?
Is he allergic to something? Bring him to Nina, we need to make the...
I must to be on the pool. Nina! Sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Hey.
You know my name? I'm Nina from First Aid in Geneva.
It's
I'm a nurse. That's the nurse and
yeah.
in the United States. And we do